Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Defense Phase 6 branch. Now I would like you to have a visit of the setup. First we will start with the daycare facility. So this is our reception area, a small sitting area for the parents, and then the reception counter. This is a little play area we have designed for the kids who are coming here for the inquiry. Meanwhile the parents are talking to the management. The kids can just be here and play around in this play area. The theme of this upper floor is basically the jungle. So you can see the whole decor and the setup is done accordingly, keeping in mind the jungle theme. So now we will move forward towards the play area / multi-purpose space. We have our day-to-day activities over here, Montessori activities, the play, the lunch time, everything is done over here basically. So please come in. To start up with, it's a soft play area for the kids to keep it safe and hygienically clean for them. You can see the round sitting space. Over here, kids are also doing their Montessori activities as well as their lunch time, and their worksheets and free handwriting, scribbling is also done over here. So as you can see, we have all the required Montessori equipments. This rack is basically designated to the Montessori equipments. So since we are a Montessori setup, so we follow the ideology and accordingly we work on the learnings, the physical growth, the mental growth, the intellect, and the personality development is done keeping in mind all five modules of Montessori. The Montessori modules basically covers EPL. EPL is exercise through practical life. Then we have art and culture. Then we have sensorial. So all these Montessori equipments and modules are right over here for our kids to learn, play and grow. This is a little corner we have made. This is like a reading corner for the kids. So the teacher basically sits over here on this couch and they tell stories to the kids, and they have their little story time, learning time over here. This wall is basically busy wall. It keeps the kids busy in a very productive manner. We work on their fine motor skills, on their gross motor skills. It's a play wall. They're playing around, but they're learning. They're learning how to develop their fine motors through putting the puzzles together. They're learning the shapes, the colors, numbers, all these EPL and sensorial activities are very, very well incorporated in this busy wall. Then this is a space for the nap time for our little ones. A very cozy space we have designed in a manner that they can comfortably have their nap over here. For the kids who are staying with us for the longer time, maybe for the whole day, we incorporate their naps over here in this very cozy space. This is the changing station for our infants. The idea was to keep it open and welcoming for the kids, so we prefer not making rooms. We segregated the spaces in a manner that the toddlers can move around, because kids don't like to be restricted in an environment. So we just want to make them feel that it's all there. They can they can be all around the place. They have the play area, the soft play area, hard play area. They have the nap room. They have the couches to sit on. Then they have the tables and chairs to sit on when it's needed. So the place works in a multifunctional manner for them. The ground floor also accommodates services like washroom, a hygienic washroom environment for the kids, and then the kitchenette. The little kitchenette have all the necessary crockery, refrigerator and microwave oven to make sure that we serve the right and warm food to the kids at their time when they're having their meals. So as I told you that every point, every wall has a function and a thought behind. So this is a little wall we created for the kids. This is basically to develop and to work on their fine motors. You can see it rotates, so it's a very playful wall for the kids. They play, they make sure that the boat reaches to the destination, to the tower. So it's a play as well as a learning environment, a space where we can work on their fine motors. So since this carpeted area is a multifunctional space, so when we want to convert it into a classroom, we convert it into a classroom where we implement all these Montessori equipments and the kids learn using all these Montessori equipments. It has color recognition, shape recognition, we have number rods, we have cylinders to give the concept of thick and thin, tall and small, flashcards of alphabets, harufe, tahajji, number rods, number recognition, everything is covered over here in our Montessori well-equipped space, which offers kids learning as well as a playful environment. Then this whiteboard we have, we use it to incorporate day-to-day learning to the kids. So this is also helping us with the medium to design to actually demonstrate our daily based activities. And then moving forward, we have toy session for the kids, because we also give them free play time when they're exhausted with their day-to-day activities. So we just leave them, we just let them be. And for that, we come towards this play area where we have stuffed toys, we have educational toys, we have journalizing toys, blocks, toys which are related to vegetables, fruits. Then again, the whole purpose is to just keep working on their learning. We have all the right equipments for the kids from 6 months and onwards. So the high chair for the kids who are following in the bracket of infants. Now coming downstairs to the basement, this is our child therapy department. So we start with the lounge sitting area for the parents. When their kids are taking the sessions, they can sit over here and wait for them and then take them back home. Moving forward towards the main area, this whole floor is basically designated for the facility for all the therapies we are offering. So starting with this carpeted area, this is the OT space, जहाँ पे हम अपनी सारी occupational therapies conduct करते हैं. All the exercises, all the runnings, jumping, gym ball massages, everything is being done over here. You can see that this place is very well equipped. We have the trampoline, we have the monkey bar, along with the soft play area. This keeps the kids safe as well. Also, it helps us giving them the concept of height, because a lot of kids coming over here have height phobias. They don't know which height is safe for them, kaun si height unke liye dangerous hai. So give those kind of training, the jumping, the climbing, and then to work on their gross motor skills and fine motor skills. So all these equipments really help us with it. Now moving forward towards this space, we have a little play space for the kids as well, because while the therapies are going on, हमें उनको एक reinforcer देना होता है, so that they don't lose out on the interest and on the productivity of their therapy sessions. So a little safe slide area, play area for the kids while they're having their breaks from the therapies. So yeah, and yes, this play area is also being used by the daycare kids. So this is a play space for the daycare as well as for the therapy kids. Then we have some sitting spaces here and there, just in case they want to sit and have their free play time, they can do that. And this wall is a major gross motor and fine motor skills wall to work on their sensories as well. So इसमें आप देखोगे, they have color recognition, they will get shape recognition, plus they're moving the objects, they get to know how to work on their fine motor skills. So, every corner of this whole facility is designed accordingly, keeping all the concerns in mind. Now, moving forward towards our educational area, since we're also giving educational therapies, so this space is like an informal / formal class area we have designed for our kids. So you can see that the racks have all the educational equipments. We teach them through puzzles, through objects, through flashcards, through notebooks. So all the mediums are being used to help them overcome this educational difficulties they are facing right now. You see this fun wall, this is basically a puzzled chalk wall, an area where they can do the random scribbling. Likewise, this is then again another rack with all the educational equipments, along with the round sittings for them to sit comfortably and have their education therapies. Now, the speech space where we do the speech therapy, it's more like a formal cabin because speech therapies are done in an environment where it is controlled. Over here, kids also get one-on-one therapies done as well as group sessions. So this is the space. You can see the rack. It then again have all the prerequisites for a speech therapy. So my speech therapists sit over here and work on the speech drills of all the kids who are coming for the speech assistant. Now moving forward towards the last space we have over here is the sensory room. So this room is basically designed for the kids who have sensory concerns. So all the sensorial activities and sensory therapies, occupational therapies are being performed over here as well. And I'll also make you look to a view that how we play music and lights over here to calm them down when they have hyperactivity. It composes the kids, calm them down, and it helps us to do different massages and drills which calms their hyperactivity.